Imagine a vineyard bathed in the golden light of dawn. The winemaker walks among the rows of vines, carefully inspecting each grape cluster, feeling the weight of centuries-old traditions on their shoulders. As the grapes are picked at the perfect moment, a journey begins, from the vineyard, where nature's gift is nurtured, to the winery, where skill and passion transform these fruits into a bottle of wine. This is the story of winemaking, where every sip tells a tale of dedication, craftsmanship, and the magic of fermentation. Winemaking is the intentional transformation of grape juice into wine through fermentation. It all starts with the vineyard and the careful decisions made by the winemaker. The job of a winemaker is to choreograph the creation of the wine from the moment you choose a vineyard, decide when to pick the grapes, to envision the final product, and make it happen in both the vineyard and the winery. Join us on this journey to discover how grapes become wine, from vineyard to bottle. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the art and science of winemaking. Let's start with the very foundation of winemaking, the vineyard. Modern vineyards are now equipped with cutting-edge technology that ensures optimal grape growth and quality. One of the key advancements is automated irrigation systems. These systems use precise sensors to monitor soil moisture levels, delivering the exact amount of water needed, exactly where it's needed. With real-time data at their fingertips, vineyard managers can adjust irrigation schedules instantly, saving water and ensuring that each vine receives optimal hydration. Drones are another game-changer in vineyard management. These high-tech helpers provide aerial views and collect detailed images of the vineyard, identifying areas that need attention. By analyzing this data, winemakers can detect issues such as disease, pest infestations, and variations in vine vigor much earlier than traditional methods would allow.
Embedded throughout the vineyard are sensors that measure soil conditions, weather patterns, and even the microclimate around the vines. These sensors provide critical information on soil pH, temperature, humidity, and more. This data is analyzed to make informed decisions about vine care and harvest timing. With the integration of these technologies, vineyard managers can ensure that every grape reaches its full potential, leading to higher quality wines. From the soil to the sky, technology is transforming vineyards into smart, efficient ecosystems.
The journey from vine to wine begins with the harvest. Traditionally, this was a labor-intensive process relying on the keen eyes and skilled hands of workers. But now, advanced technology is revolutionizing how we bring in the grapes. Meet the mechanical harvester, an invention of modern engineering. This machine carefully navigates the rows using gentle vibrations to dislodge the ripe grapes from the vine while leaving the vines and unripe grapes intact. The harvester's precision ensures that only the ripest grapes are collected, minimizing damage and preserving the quality of the fruit. This not only speeds up the harvest, but also allows for more efficient use of labor. Once the grapes are harvested, they are transported to the sorting area. Here, another innovation comes into play, the sorting machine. This advanced equipment uses cameras and sensors to inspect each grape, ensuring only the best are selected. High-speed cameras capture detailed images of the grapes, while sophisticated software analyzes these images to detect imperfections and remove any that don't meet strict quality standards. The result? Perfectly sorted grapes that are ready for fermentation. This level of precision and efficiency was unimaginable just a few decades ago. These technologies have transformed the harvesting process. Not only do they help maintain high quality, but they also allow to respond quickly to changes in weather and grape ripeness, ensuring we harvest at the optimal time. From mechanical harvesters to state-of-the-art sorting machines, these innovations are a testament to how technology is enhancing the ancient art of winemaking. Once the grapes are harvested using state-of-the-art mechanical harvesters, they need to be transported quickly to the winery to preserve their quality. Modern logistics systems, equipped with real-time tracking, ensure that the grapes arrive promptly and in optimal condition. Winemakers use GPS tracking and temperature-controlled transport vehicles to move the grapes. This minimizes delays and maintains the perfect environment, reducing the risk of spoilage. Next is fermentation, a critical stage where grape juice transforms into wine. Today's winemakers leverage advanced technology to perfect this ancient art. These sleek, stainless steel fermenters are at the forefront of modern fermentation. Unlike traditional wooden barrels, these tanks offer precise control over the fermentation environment. Temperature control is crucial during fermentation. These fermenters are equipped with integrated cooling and heating systems, allowing winemakers to maintain the ideal temperature for yeast activity. By adjusting temperatures, winemakers can influence the speed of fermentation and the development of flavor compounds, ensuring each batch achieves its full potential. Automated mixing tools, or punch-down systems, replicate traditional manual techniques used to submerge the cap of grape skins that forms during fermentation. This ensures even extraction of color, flavor, and tannins. These tools can be programmed to operate at specific intervals and intensities, providing consistency and reducing the need for manual labor. Advanced sensors monitor key parameters such as sugar levels and alcohol content throughout fermentation. This real-time data allows winemakers to make timely adjustments, ensuring optimal conditions are maintained. By tracking the conversion of sugar to alcohol, winemakers can precisely determine the progress of fermentation and decide the perfect moment to halt the process, capturing the desired flavor profile and alcohol content. These technological advancements in fermentation not only enhance efficiency, but also open new possibilities for creativity and precision in winemaking. With the help of these innovations, winemakers can consistently produce high-quality wines while reducing wastage. Modern technology has revolutionized barrel aging, starting with the barrels themselves. While traditional oak barrels are still widely used, innovative variations now enhance the aging process. Winemakers use both traditional French oak barrels and newer hybrid barrels. These hybrids incorporate staves of different types of wood, allowing for a more controlled flavor infusion. These hybrid barrels provide winemakers with greater precision over the aging process, tailoring the wine's profile to desired specifications. Temperature control is crucial during aging. Modern cellars are equipped with advanced climate control systems that maintain optimal conditions. These systems monitor and adjust the temperature to ensure it stays within the ideal range, typically between 55 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Consistent temperature helps in the gradual development of the wine's characteristics. Too much fluctuation can cause premature aging or even spoilage. Alongside temperature, humidity control plays a vital role. Proper humidity levels prevent the barrels from drying out and the wine from evaporating. Advanced humidification systems maintain the cellar at around 70 to 80% humidity, mimicking the natural conditions of traditional wine caves. Maintaining the right humidity is essential for preserving the integrity of the barrels and the quality of the wine. Automation and continuous monitoring ensure that these conditions are met consistently. Sensors throughout the cellar provide real-time data on temperature and humidity. Automated alerts notify the winemaking team of any deviations, allowing for immediate adjustments. These systems not only optimize the aging environment, but also free up our winemakers to focus on other aspects of the craft, knowing that the wine is aging under perfect conditions. The result of these advanced aging techniques is a wine that embodies both tradition and innovation, offering a superior tasting experience. Through the blend of time-honored practices and cutting-edge technology, modern winemaking achieves new heights in quality and consistency. Now to the final stage of the winemaking journey, bottling. Here, advanced automation ensures that every bottle of wine is sealed to perfection. The process begins with thorough cleaning. Empty bottles are transported along conveyor belts to automated cleaning machines. These machines use high-pressure jets of water and specialized cleaning agents to ensure each bottle is spotless and ready for filling. Next, the clean bottles move to the filling station. Here, advanced sensors and automated fillers precisely measure and dispense the exact amount of wine into each bottle, minimizing waste and ensuring consistency. The filling machines are designed to operate at high speeds, filling hundreds of bottles per minute while maintaining the integrity and quality of the wine. Once filled, the bottles proceed to the corking station. Automated corkers ensure that each bottle is sealed with a cork that is inserted with perfect precision. This step is crucial for preserving the wine's flavor and preventing oxidation. The corking machines use a combination of pressure and accuracy to place the corks firmly in each bottle, ensuring a tight seal. The final step in the bottling process is labeling. Automated labeling machines apply labels quickly and accurately, ensuring that each bottle is properly branded and ready for distribution. These machines can handle various label types and sizes, adapting to different bottle shapes and ensuring a perfect fit every time. Thanks to these advanced bottling technologies, wineries can efficiently produce large quantities of high-quality wine, ready to be enjoyed by wine lovers around the world. From cleaning to filling, corking, and labeling, automation plays a crucial role in modern wine bottling, ensuring every bottle meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. After the wine is produced, it moves to high-tech distribution centers. Here, automation plays a key role. Advanced sorting systems and robotic forklifts manage inventory efficiently, ensuring that orders are processed quickly and accurately. Automated systems can handle thousands of bottles per hour. By using RFID tags, they can track each bottle's location in real time, streamlining the entire distribution process. Maintaining the quality of wine during transportation is crucial. Temperature fluctuations can spoil the wine, so we use temperature-controlled shipping solutions. These refrigerated trucks and containers keep the wine at a consistent temperature from the warehouse to the retailer. With the help of IoT-enabled temperature monitors, it allows them to track and adjust the climate inside the containers throughout the journey. This technology ensures the wine arrives as fresh and flavorful as it left the winery. Smart packaging is another innovation enhancing wine distribution. QR codes and NFC tags on bottles provide detailed information about the wine's journey. Consumers and retailers can scan these tags to access the wine's provenance, ensuring transparency and authenticity. Smart labels not only offer traceability, but also help in preventing counterfeiting. By scanning the QR code, customers can verify the wine's origin and authenticity, providing peace of mind with every purchase. The final leg of the wine's journey involves delivering it to retailers and consumers. Advanced route optimization algorithms help delivery services minimize travel time and fuel consumption, making the process more efficient and environmentally friendly. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, the transportation and distribution of wine have never been more efficient or reliable. From the vineyard to your table, each bottle's journey is carefully managed to ensure you enjoy the highest quality wine every time. And there you have it, a journey from vine to bottle, showcasing the remarkable blend of tradition and technology in modern winemaking. Every glass of wine is not just a testament to the grapes in the land, but also to the innovative techniques that bring out the best in each harvest. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating process. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or a casual enthusiast, the next time you enjoy a glass of wine, you'll appreciate the technology that helps create its unique flavor and aroma. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of wine. Cheers!